So I'm about to head outside to go do something. So I am outside now. I have to go do what I have to do. Looks like it's gonna rain. Don't matter. I have to go through the backyard. But yeah, what is up, guys? I have to say it one more time. It's not morning anymore, but it's afternoon. Good morning to the best family on YouTube. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, I don't know what's happening, but my door won't open. We're gonna have to sit you guys down. I have to sit you guys down real quick while I do this. You guys can see this. Okay, I'm back. I don't know what just happened. Something down on there. Well, my mom told me to come like on the back door. My back door, it's kind of dirty. Oh, you guys see that? There's a frog in there. I'm gonna get a piece of wood. Get this piece of wood. Just throw it at it. I throw it at it. It's still in there. There's like another way I have to get back in my house. I think I have to set y'all back down, but I'll be back. Let's check. To go check now. What's up? Not to get over. Dang it. I'll see you guys whenever I come back, okay? Bye. Guys, I can't do this thing right now. I have to come close the gate. Come here, Tex. Tex, come here. Tex.